Good morning, children. Today we are going to learn properties of division. What is our topic, children, today? Properties of division from class 3, chapter 5. First property. 0 divided by any number is 0. What is the first property, children? 0 divided by any number is 0. Second property. A number divided by itself is 1. What is the second property, children? A number divided by itself is 1. These are the two properties of division. Here is a worksheet 9, children. Fill in the blanks. Fill in the blanks. First blank. 0 divided by 4 is equal to dash. This is the first property, children. 0 divided by 4 is equal to dash. What is the first property? We'll get 0 only, no? Yes, it is 0. Second blank. 7 divided by 1 is equal to dash. 7 divided by 1 is equal to dash. What is the answer we'll get? 7. Third blank. 9 divided by 9 is equal to dash. 9 divided by 9 is equal to dash. It is 1. Dash divided by 3 is equal to 0. This is also first property. Here we'll get 0. 6 divided by dash is equal to 1. 6 divided by dash is equal to 1. Here we'll get 6. You understand now, children? See, I'll explain a small trick, children, for you. We have to multiply these two means we'll get this answer. See, children, if you multiply these two means we'll get this answer like this. These two if you multiply means we'll get this answer. See, children, 4 into 0. 4 into 0 how much we'll get? 0. 1 into 7 we'll get 7. 9 into 1, 9. 3 into 0, 0. 6 into 1, 6. Like this also you can fill the blank. You understand, children? Okay. Worksheet number 11, word problems. Listen to the first word problem, children. 50 pencils are equally packed in 5 packets. How many pencils are there in each packet? What is the question? Once again, listen, children. 50 pencils are equally packed in 5 packets. How many pencils are there in each packet? How many pencils are there, children? 50 pencils are there. These 50 pencils, in how many packets they are packed? In 5 packets they packed. They are asking to find out pencils in each packet. Each packet means what? 1 packet. Look at the statements, children. Answer. Number of pencils in 5 packets. How many pencils are there in 5 packets, children? 50. So we'll write 50. Number of pencils in 5 packets. How many? 50. What is asking to find out pencils in each packet? No. So what is the second step? We'll write number of pencils in 1 packet is equal to, we have to do 50 divided by 5. That statement will write 50 divided by 5. Number of pencils in 1 packet is equal to 50 divided by 5. You know no division? 50 divided by 5. In 5 table 1 will get 50. Tell me, children. Yes, it is 10 times. 5 tens are 50. 5 tens are 50. Next step we have to do subtract it. 50 minus 50 how much will get, children? 0. Therefore, number of pencils in 1 packet is equal to how many pencils you got? Coefficient will write the answer. What is the coefficient here? 10. So answer is 10. So how many pencils are there in 1 packet, children? Tell me. 10. Second question. Raju has 72 stamps. He pastes 8 stamps in each page of a scrapbook. How many pages are used by Raju? Once again I am repeating the question. Listen carefully, children. Raju has 72 stamps. He pastes 8 stamps in each page of a scrapbook. How many pages are used by Raju? What are the given things from the question? Tell me, children. How many stamps Raju has? 72. In each page of a scrapbook, how many stamps he pasted, children? Tell me. 8. What is asking to find out? Pages are used by Raju to paste 72 stamps. Answer. Total stamps is how many children? 72. What is the total stamps children? 72. Number of stamps pasted in one page. How many stamps he pasted in one page children? Tell me. 8. What is asking to find out? Number of pages used. Number of pages used is equal to 72 divided by 8. What should do? 72 divided by 8. 72 divided by 8. 72 divided by 8. In 8 table when will get 72? Tell me children. 8 9s are 72. 8 9s are 72. Next to do? Subtract it. 72 minus 72 how much children? 0. Therefore, number of pages used. How many pages are used children? To paste 72 stamps. We have to write the coefficient. I told you. What is the coefficient got? 9. What is the coefficient got? 9. So, what is the answer? Number of pages used is equal to 9. So, Raju used 9 pages to paste 72 stamps. Here is a assignment work for you children. That is worksheet number 11 children. Whatever the two sums we done now, I explain now and we done the two sums now. The two sums again you rewrite in your notebook. First question. 50 pencils are equally packed in 5 packets. How many pencils are there in each packet? Second question. Raju has 72 stamps. He pastes 8 stamps in each page of a scrapbook. How many pages are used by Raju? This first sum and second sum again rewrite in your notebook neatly. No need of copying the question. Write only the answers. What are the statements I wrote now? No need of writing the same statements. You can use your own statement and do the sum children. You understand now children? You can write your own statements and you can do the sum. Thank you children. Write neatly these two sums in your notebook. Thank you.